Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can activate Paralympics theme on Instagram. So first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. Click on that and you need to update your Instagram application by clicking on this update button. Once you've done that, you need to go back and you need to open Instagram application and you need to log in into your account. Once you complete that, click on the messenger icon on the top right and here you need to select any conversation. So I'm going to select this one. Click on the person name on the top, click on theme, and from here you need to select Paralympics. Wait for few seconds and now you can see that Paralympics theme is activated for this conversation. So this is a process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.